This is the weather forecast video for Friday, July the 29th, 2011. Let's first take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a complex of thunderstorms over the central plains, and the monsoonal flow continues over the desert southwest, and in the bottom center of your screen is Tropical Storm Don making a beeline for the South Texas coast. Here's a zoomed in picture of the tropical storm. Winds are sustained at 50 miles an hour as of last evening. And here's the forecast track. We'll take it to between Corpus Christi and Brownsville late tonight and early Saturday morning. As a tropical storm, it will then dissipate over the Rio Grande Valley in northern Mexico. Here's the watch warning map. From around midnight, you can see a tropical storm warning over the Texas coast with some flash flood watches over Illinois and into Michigan and Indiana, and some flash flood warnings over Kansas and Colorado. Here's the QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock. And the precipitation you see is precipitation that fell last night. And in many cases, no precipitation fell last night, so no rain is expected. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. today. You can see a west-east flow across the northern tier of the country with a bit of a ridge over the southeastern part of the country. With that, that's where the showers and thunderstorms will be. Better chances will be south and east of the state. It could be an isolated shower across the south, but most likely it will be dry with temperatures in the 80s. Saturday, starting off the weekend, temperatures will be in the 80s to near 90 with some mostly sunny skies, although the model wants to show showers. They're going to be few and far between. Sunday looks to be very dry as well, with maybe an isolated shower or storm mainly across the north and west, with highs in the 80s. Monday, a little bit of a boundary moves through, but it's going to be very weak and little, if any, moisture with it, so isolated chances of a shower or storm, if any, on Monday. Tuesday, storm system moving into the area with a bit of a cold front, but most of the rain will be in Minnesota and Wisconsin. Temperatures will be in the upper 80s to low 90s. Wednesday, the frontal system moves through. The showers and thunderstorms move south of the state. This will likely be a Tuesday night through Wednesday morning event, with most of Wednesday afternoon dry. Thursday, low pressure over northern Missouri. Could be some convective feedback with that big bullseye over southeastern Iowa. Otherwise, it will be fairly dry with maybe an isolated chance of a shower over the south. Then on Friday, a week from today, northwesterly flow aloft with a ridge over the southern plains, with a vortex northwest and southeast of the state at the surface. That's where the rainfall will be, northwest and southeast of the state, while the state will be very dry with comfortable temperatures in the low to mid 80s. We move further into Voodoo. Here's August the 8th, northwesterly flow aloft with a bit of a ridge into the Rockies and into western and central Canada. But with that, you see frontal system with a low over northern Wisconsin may bring a shower or storm into the area at that time, with seasonal temperatures in the low to mid 80s. And at the end of the forecast on August the 13th, still a northwesterly flow aloft out of Canada with a ridge centered over the Intermountain West and a trough over the east. And with that, there could be some isolated shots at some showers and storms. Otherwise, the best chance will be over the east and the south, with some decent temperatures that don't look very overly hot. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.